I am watching an ant pulling away a grain of rice. See the power. It's pulling more than 50 times, 100 times its weight. Amazing is nature, the ways living beings do for its survival. Truly amazing. See the speed at which it's pulling it towards its habitat. I don't know how far it's going to pull, how far it is, but it's amazing. We don't know. Yeah, one more came but didn't help. We don't know how work is allocated, designated in that ant kingdom. Maybe we have worker ants. If more than one can combine, it will be easy. I think it's going to bring some more for help. For now it's doing it single-handedly. Each creature has its own power. Now it's pushing, I think. Push and pull, taking it's moving slowly and steadily. Look at the size of the ant and the size of the food it's carrying. I hope it gets some support so that the task becomes easier. It's not getting any support as of now. The ant colony would be happy when they see a huge food stock coming. I don't know whether the ants take turns to bring such food or it's individual responsibility, but nature is amazing. Yeah, we will leave it on its own, not to be disturbed more. I think it's more closer to its home. Bye bye.